This time, I would like to introduce you to the Budget Hotel, Weekly Hotel Chitos in Aomori City, Aomori Prefecture. There is a vending machine on the first floor of this hotel. On the first floor. The front desk looks like a love hotel. I will introduce that later. Now that you have checked in, I will introduce you to our room. As you can see, the basic minimum facilities are provided, but there are no amenities, so you will need to purchase them at the front desk or prepare them in advance. This time, my room was on the second floor, so I could only see this kind of view. Then, I will go out and introduce what kind of spots there are in the surrounding area. First of all, car sharing is convenient for short drives. This car share is operated by RX and can also be used with D-Car Share. There was also a Times car share on the grounds of the APA Hotel. Next, head to the museum where you can experience the Nebuda Festival. You can experience the Nebuda Festival all year round, and there is also a restaurant where you can enjoy Aomori souvenirs and local Aomori cuisine. Next, I will introduce Aomori's nightlife. This classic plaza has a variety of izakaya where you can enjoy drinks and gourmet food. We will also introduce a museum that will open in the Aomori Station building in the spring of 2024 where you can experience the Jomon period. At Aomori Jomon Station Jomon, you can experience the history of Aomori during the Jomon period for free. If this piques your interest, we also recommend taking a bus or rental car to the Semi-Maruyama ruins. Lastly, I would like to introduce you to Aomori's Oasis. Aomori Park is loved as an oasis in Aomori. Now that you're back at the hotel, I'll show you what facilities are available. There is a coin laundry on the 6th floor. You can do your laundry here. There was a vending machine on the 5th floor. Drinks can be purchased. What's on the fourth floor? There was a vacuum cleaner. This way, you can take it to your room and clean it. There was also a trouser press on the second floor. Now, I would like to have a drink at an izakaya. You can also enter the izakaya from the entrance on the opposite side. The inside of the store looks like this. This time, we would like to introduce a set of recommended drinks that you can compare. I recommend the ones that come with snacks. After drinking one drink, another drink is served. In this way, you can enjoy delicious alcohol to the fullest. Well then, I'm going to sleep now. Good night. Good morning. It's still early for Nakiden, so I decided to take a walk around the underground market in front of Aomori Station first. As you can see, there are a variety of shops lined up. Please note that our hotel does not have breakfast service, so I would like to eat Nakiden from now on. For Nakiden, purchase a ticket from this ticket office and make your own bowl. He also explained in detail how to make it. This is the completed Nakiden. In addition, I was able to choose side dishes like this. Thank you for the meal. It was delicious, so everyone should try it too. We will also be participating in the Nebuda Festival in August. We will be delivering scenes from the Nebuda Festival on this channel, so please look forward to it.